The APC is hereby declared the winner and is returned elected.
Hello Nigerians, we are still on the Nigerian Presidential Election results updates. So it happened that in the early hours of today, being the 1st of March 2023, the INEC, the Independent National Electoral Commission, has declared Bola Ahmed Tinubu of APC the winner of the 2023 Nigerian Presidential Election. This is causing a lot of argument, a lot of confusion on social media, off social media, because Nigerians are not happy. They are saying that this was not what they voted. This is not who they voted for. There is trouble in the country at the moment, but let's see how this turns out. Even the Labour Party, whom their candidate is Mr. Peter Obi, and PDP, who their candidate is Atiku Abubakar, they have called on the INEC to cancel this election, saying that it is not free and fair and it did not follow the due electoral process, the Electoral Act. So, I don't know what you think. Drop your comment in the comment section while we wait for this drama, because it's going to be a very long drama. It's going to be a very long one. It won't be like the previous ones that election will be rigged and people will just laugh over it, they complain, one or two complaints, and that will be it. This time around, it's going to be a very long thing, but let's see how it goes down.
Election in under 2 weeks, the governorship and state assembly elections. We have therefore taken the decision that the certificate of return to the president-elect